Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the card number on Nationwide application in 2026. So first of all, you need to download and install the Nationwide application from the Google Play Store or App Store. Afterwards, simply log in into your account. So when you log in into your account, on the home screen, you are going to see your current account, your card information and your savings account. So you need to simply select the option of your card. So let's say you want to see the card number of your credit card. So simply tap on this particular option. Afterwards, on the next page, you will be shown the option of manage your card. So when you select the option of manage card, you will be landed on the next page where you can select the option of view details or show card number. And for security purposes, the application may ask you to verify your identity using a passcode, fingerprint or facial recognition before displaying the information. So you need to simply complete that verification, and this way you will be able to view your card number, its expiration date and some of the information about the security code inside your application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.